Are you interested in learning how to sell BODi in a way that's easier than the awkwardness that comes from hitting up friends and family or trying to recruit the waiter every time you and your family go out to dinner? Real quick, if you're making these Beachbody advertising mistakes, then make sure you follow my entire lesson here. The mistakes you might make are using the BODi product line and the opportunity in your social media posts. Here's an example of a BODi partner showing the product pic. This only results in losing sales because their Facebook followers will Google the product name and most likely buy from someone else. It's annoying. It doesn't bring any value to followers, and it ends up with more people blocking you than asking for more information. If you're anything like me and many others who struggle to make sales in network marketing, you're probably starting to ask the question, is selling BODi worth it? Most of what you've been taught after joining BODi hinges on prospecting people that have no interest in what you sell. It's hard to build a Beachbody team or help clients from a pool of uninterested friends and family, right? Is there a more effective BODi business plan? Yes. There's a more effective way as you learn how to make money with Beachbody in a way that allows you to target people who don't know you yet, but who are definitely interested in fitness and solving the problems you and your Beachbody products solve. You can't sell BODi online by duplicating dated offline methods because these advertising ideas are ineffective in today's world. I imagine you're here with me because you're beyond frustrated with the results you've seen so far. Inside your BODi network marketing business opportunity, you've listened to your upline tell you about the path to success. Things like the 3-foot rule, make a list of friends and family, use Facebook chat, and other time-consuming social media tactics. Recent feedback from someone reaching out to me for help was this. Look, Matt, my top 3 frustrations are this. Number 1, I feel like this is way harder than it should be. Number 2, I'm getting some nasty comments after posting Beachbody products on Facebook or TikTok. And number 3, it seems like I'm losing friends and family because I keep asking them to look at my business. The interesting thing about these BODi promotion ideas is that they have nothing to do with marketing at all. Now, I mean, back in 1987, this may have made sense because back then the average person didn't have access to the type of money that it took to advertise on things like TV or radio. But today with the internet, there's really no reason for you to have to hit up friends and family who have no earthly interest in getting fit, feeling better, buying your products, joining your BODi business opportunity. As more BODi partners go online to find prospects, it's resulted in the average Beachbody coach just getting the same results as they did when prospecting offline. Big, fat rejection. Can you relate to this? This is because the normal advice, for example, is to go on social media and post pictures of you and your BODi products. This is a big mistake. Avoid this method as you learn how to make money with Beachbody. The reason this doesn't work is because it goes against how successful internet marketing works. So in order to teach you how to sell BODi online, I need to first show you what it looks like to sell anything online successfully. So I want you to imagine this for a moment, okay? You go into a networking event where people have gathered, they're all there to get to know one another, maybe possibly exchange business cards. And for some reason, you decide it's a great idea to start shouting at the top of your lungs, I'm in a really awesome company called BODi. We've got the best products that have ever been produced that help you get fit. On top of that, we've got a fantastic business opportunity where you can come in and make a ton of money. As a matter of fact, it's the best business opportunity to have ever been invented. And I'll show you how to make money on BODi. You just watch. Now, I'm sure you're having a good laugh thinking about doing this. You wouldn't ever dream of doing something so ridiculous and obnoxious, right? But this is one way that people are taught to sell BODi online. Often, we're told by company training or our upline that one of the most effective BODi promotion ideas is posting on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and other social media sites. For example, use Instagram to post pictures of ourselves with our products, or go on Facebook and talk about how to make money with BODi. This is the equivalent of going into that room and screaming at the top of your lungs how great your business is. It's just too soon in the relationship that you're trying to build with your prospect. If you wouldn't do it inside a one-on-one conversation because you know it kind of feels weird and pushy, why would you do the same thing on the internet? Using internet marketing best practices is always the best way to sell Beachbody online. I mean, really think about it. The best way to alienate your prospects offline is to use the 3-foot rule or to bug your friends and family endlessly with a product that they're just not currently looking for. A great way to alienate your prospect online is to jump on social media and basically yell about your products and the business opportunity that no one is actively searching for in that moment. I encourage you to stop listening to what your company is telling you about this. They're training you to hard sell and to ask for the sale way before you deserve it. Network marketing companies across the board teach these hokey ways to market. It's a better idea to think of yourself as an entrepreneur as opposed to a representative for Beachbody. You should think like an entrepreneur and learn everything you can about educating first and selling second. So is selling BODi worth it? Well, not when you give up sales on social media. Posting your products on social media doesn't work because you're giving away sales. Now, how are you doing this? Well, what you're doing is you're showing your BODi products on your social posts. And then even if someone has a remote interest in your products, they have no loyalty to you, the person posting random pics on social media. What they'll do is go to Google or YouTube, do a little bit of research, and if they ever join BODi or purchase products, they'll likely do it with someone they found through their Google or YouTube search, the person who posted helpful information. Build value, solve problems, and serve others to successfully sell BODi. Internet marketing is sort of like dating instead of asking someone to marry you the moment you first meet them. Ask your prospects to go on the equivalent of a lunch date first by focusing on the problem that your products can solve for them. The result is that you'll attract people who are actively searching for the solution that your BODi products solve. Think about it. Who's a better Beachbody prospect? The cashier at your local supermarket just because she's 3 feet from you, your coworker just because he's on your friends and family list, or other like-minded people searching right now for how to solve the problem your BODi products solve. Find those like-minded people by becoming the trusted partner of your prospects, by focusing on the problem you solve and showing them how you can solve it for them. And quick aside, would you like to learn advanced details of everything I'm sharing with you so far in this training? I do have more information and education that teaches you how to install professional marketing methods into your business. Techniques that help you tangibly and measurably become better at advertising your BODi business. Click the link in this video's description if you're watching on YouTube, or put your information into the form I placed near this video or audio on my blog, and I'll shoot you a special video training that teaches you exactly how to start professionally marketing BODi. All right, back to the training. Now, at this point, your brain can kind of play tricks on you and say that what I'm talking about here is too much hard work. It's easy to tell yourself that creating valuable content and helping your prospects solve problems takes too much time. But is it really too hard? And does it really take too much time? Think about this for just a moment. You create content all the time. In fact, you do it when you try to make money with BODi by telling people why you love it and why the products will help them. It's just that you're talking to the wrong people by posting those product pics or yelling about how they can make money. It's like trying to tell a vegan all the benefits of eating meat. No matter how great your argument is, it's falling on deaf ears, right? So as you enter the world of internet marketing and apply it to your BODi business, you'll archive information that's actually helpful to your target audience by placing it on a blog post, a YouTube video, or a social media post. You're putting it in a place where people who are searching for ways to solve the problem that your BODi products solve can find it. Now, your next potential pitfall to doing all of this correctly and successfully is that you might say, hey, look, Matt, I'm not an expert in my niche yet, so I can't do this. You might wonder, why would anyone listen to you, right? No worries. The solution is to take what I call the journey approach to selling BODi. The journey approach is this. You're excited about the problem you're solving with BODi, so just tell others what you're learning and that they can come with you as you learn more. That's all you're doing. Don't falsely set yourself up as an expert. You don't need to be an expert yet. Just be honest and tell people that you've learned a few things that excite you, that you're committed to learning more, and you invite them to join you on your journey as you do. To do this, take some time up front to research the problems people have that your Beachbody products solve. What do they want to learn more about? What do they want to know how to do? What problems are they experiencing right now? What worries them each day when they wake up? Now offer tips and ideas that help them overcome those problems, fears, and anxieties. Don't try to sell BODi yet. Don't mention BODi ingredients yet. Don't mention the products at all. Don't mention your compensation plan. First, offer general tips, ideas, and solutions that are relevant to the niche that Beachbody has put you in. The people finding your online content will see you as a helpful person, not some weirdo trying to get them into some strange business deal, right? You see the difference against the stuff you've been doing that isn't working for you? Once you build that trust in your prospects, they'll want more information about the solution to their problems. Then you slide your BODi products in front of them and position those as the solution. And you're talking to the right people who will make the purchase from you. Now, there are some pros and cons to MLM that you should know about, because if you don't, they could hurt your efforts at selling BODi online. The advantages are that network marketing just, it gets you started in business if you haven't been in business before. It exposes you to things like personal development, ideas, and books. It shows you how to learn how to handle rejection as a business owner. The biggest problem, though, is that there's no uniqueness between you and other Beachbody partners. Everyone in BODi is told to do the same thing. This means there's nothing different about you and the thousands of other Beachbody coaches running around screaming on social media about how great the products in the company are. You're in competition with all those BODi partners posting the same obnoxious social media posts. Marketing success comes from being unique. Using online marketing correctly allows you to get creative about how you sell BODi. As long as you're not the get-rich-quick type and you don't try to cut corners, you'll start to really build out a good business. The true long-term solution to this negative aspect of network marketing is to set up your own online platform and sell BODi from it. One of the easiest ways to get this started is to build a blog and then revolve all of your social media accounts around it. You bring up the problems on the blog that your BODi products solve. You point your social media contacts back to your blog for the solutions and more helpful tips. And then your blog allows your visitors to opt in as email leads in exchange for further helpful tips and information. You now have real people to contact and sell BODi to. The process I just took you through is how every successful online business operates. There really is no secret. You need traffic, meaning you need people who are interested in solving the problem that your products and business solve. You need those people to come to your blog, start to feel as if they know you and can trust you as they become receptive to your product recommendations. Now, you might say at this point, but Matt, I'm not sure if talking about the BODi brand on my own blog is allowed. If you're saying that, then you're not yet understanding what I'm saying here in this training. You never, ever want to mention the BODi brand or the product names on your blog or your social media platforms. Never. That's the big mistake I've been talking about through this entire training. You talk about the general problems your products solve. Your company can't tell you that you can't do that. Now you might say, but Matt, I see a lot of people using social media as their home on the internet. Yes, many people use social media only, and it's a mistake because you don't own any of your social media profiles. If you ever violate the terms on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or any social media platform that becomes the next big thing, they can shut your account down and bam, all your fans, all your traffic gone. I'm not saying that you shouldn't use social media. You must use social media. What I'm saying is that social media should revolve around an online asset that you do own, which is your blog. Building your online presence on social media only is like building your house on sand. But building your online presence on your blog along with social media is like building your home on bedrock. Using an online presence that revolves around your blog solves every problem you'll ever encounter when operating your BODi business. While other reps are doing silly infomercials on social, you'll educate and attract real prospects who come to love you and your message. And one last benefit to all of this is that you can eventually create additional sources of income. This gets exciting when you discover that building inside the fitness niche that BODi puts you in allows you to sell other things related to that niche in the future. Remember, you own the traffic from your blog and the resulting email subscriber base that you can build from it. So you can expand beyond only selling BODi and become a true entrepreneur if you want to. Even if you don't want to do that right away, it sets you up to potentially add in other income streams down the line, maybe 2 to 5 years from now. You might work toward making money from ad income, Amazon products, or other affiliate marketing offers. You might create your own higher ticket coaching program. You can get creative and expand your potential for revenue over time. And again, would you like to learn advanced details of everything I'm sharing with you in this training so far? As I mentioned before, I have more education that teaches you how to install professional marketing methods into your business, techniques that help you tangibly and measurably just become better at advertising your Beachbody business. Click the link in this video's description if you're watching on YouTube, or put your information into the form I've placed near this video or audio on my blog, and I'll shoot you a special video training that teaches you exactly how to start professionally marketing BODi.